In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a decorative embroidery bridging pattern. To get started, I've pinned two pieces of fabric together, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them. We'll be working with light beige floss threads and maroon small beads on light green linen fabric. I'm using a thin needle, which makes it easier to pass through the bead holes as we stitch. The beads create a lovely decorative bridge between the two fabric pieces. It's a simple process, but adds such a sophisticated detail to your clothes. You can use this for casual or formal outfits, and it's a quick way to give your garments a unique, fashionable edge. This project is very easy to follow, and it's a quick way to enhance your dress bodices, necklines, or sleeves. You can try it out on your t-shirts, skirts, or even home decor projects like pillow covers. I hope you enjoy stitching along with me, and remember, you don't need any special equipment, just your fabric, thread, and beads, and you're ready to go.